Hey everyone, this is my sixth video documenting my process of creating UIs, and today I have selected Swiggy as my inspiration, and I have taken a particular flow regarding filter, and I will be replicating as we go onwards with the challenge. So today I worked on the explore section. I first took the reference images and labeled the flow as to what the hotspots are and how the prototype will be made at the end. And I got to working on the first screen. So I started with declaring styles as well as like in terms of text, colors, and gathering all the requirements such as icons, images, whatever is required when I will be creating the screen as filler information. Some of it was from content reel, Iconify, and other I created on my own. So a lot of time went into understanding how the styles will be declared. Something which I found when I was trying to understand patterns and basically improve my systems thinking was I stumbled upon an article specifically regarding Swiggy's design language, and I had an option that I could go and read that directly and try to make it that way. But I decided that I'm going to be taking that article as my reference and first use my own approach and my own understanding of how I should create the components and the design system, and then compare it with what actually has what it was done beforehand so that I can see where my mistakes are and improve on that. So currently I did it in a way like you can see if I open my Swiggy's styles, you can see that these were the ways I was able to categorize them. So there were certain patterns regarding like how the text inside the cards are, how they are inside the chips, and I tried to find patterns such as the ones where the offer or discount has been declared, so that had a similar kind of font. So like that I went on and declared all those styles similarly with the color as well. If you look here on the right, once that was done, that was the most tedious part. After that I had to work on components, right? So you can see that this was something which was getting repeated and again. So I that was the pattern which I saw, and also in terms of section heading, this was something which I could edit and repeat itself. So that is something which I have created right now. So this is the current status of what the component library is. And I will be expanding upon this as I complete the whole flow from this screen to this screen. And this is my process for today. And what I noticed from the article was that that was published in 2022, and of course there might be a lot of changes, but I understood what their design goals were, and I saw that a lot of similarities, but what the differences were that they even inside the text they had different colors for different emphasis on the text itself. So I did was this and this had same color, but in their design language system they had taken different color for different emphasis of text, which I try to understand why. And according to me, I think that that could be to make the information look less busy because the screen itself is such information heavy. I would assume that they want the main information to be relayed fast. So that is why they have created such separation, which which is something which I feel has improved in my understanding of how I can approach systems thinking, because earlier I was thinking that I could just take this as one color and this as second color and not really take different emphasis on different text. So that is something which I'll improve as I go, and I'll change the styles, color styles, as well as text styles. Thank you.